Hi everyone, in this video, I will be demonstrating my submission for the ServiceHive machine learning internship assignment. I have built a conversational AI sales agent for AutoStream, a fictional SaaS company that provides automated video editing tools for content creators. Let me quickly show you what this agent can do. The agent is built using three core technologies. First, the LangGraph, which manages the conversation state across multiple turns. You can see here the agent state type dict. It tracks the user's name, email, platform, and conversation history. Second, RAG, retrieval augmented generation. The agent reads from a local knowledge base file autostream.md and injects that knowledge into the system prompt. This ensures accurate, grounded responses. The third one is Groq API with Llama 3, which powers the language understanding and response generation. Now let me show you the agent in action. Let I will type hi there. Wait for the response. The agent correctly identifies this as a greeting and responds warmly. Now I will type what are your pricing plans? Wait for the response. Now I asked about pricing. The agent retrieved this information directly from the knowledge base using RAG. Basic plan at $29 per month. Pro plan at $79 per month. Notice it is not making anything up. All data comes from our local autostream.md file. I will type does Pro plan have a AI caption? Wait for the response. Again, accurate answer from knowledge base. AI captions are included in the Pro plan. Now I type that sounds great. I want to sign up for Pro. I have a YouTube channel and wait for the response. This is where the magic happens. The agent detected high intent. The user mentioned wanting to sign up and also mentioned their creator platform. It immediately switches to lead collection mode and asks for the user's name first. One question at a time as required. I will tell my name to it. My name is Rahul Sharma. Wait for the response. Name collected. Now it asks for email. I will give my mail rahul.sharma@gmail.com. Wait for the response. Email collected. Now it asks for the creator platform. Let creator platform will be YouTube. Wait for the response. Lead capture will be print. And there it is. The mock lead capture tool was triggered only after all their details were collected. Name, email, and platform. You can see the confirmation printed in the terminal. Lead captured successfully for Rahul Sharma. Now I will show you tools.py. To summarize what this agent does, 1. It detects user intent using LLM-based classification. Number 2. It answers product question accurately using RAG from a local knowledge base. Number 3. It manages state across the full conversation using LangGraph, remembering context across every turn. And number 4, it captures LEDs by calling the mock tool only after collecting all required information. The GitHub repository link in the submission and the description. Thank you for watching.